Dating apps. Over 60 million swipers chasing love with a tap. Tinder, Bumble, Hinge, then a new matchmakers, promising sparks in a digital glow. But sometimes that glow flickers into darkness. Profiles lie, strangers stalk, and what starts as a flirt can end in a scream. Tonight, I've got 3 true stories, real horrors twisted into nightmares from the dating app abyss. First, a match who watches too closely. Then a date who's already dead, or is she? Finally, a night that locks you in. These aren't just cautionary tales, they've got gut punches from people who swiped into hell, inspired by real encounters like the guy tracked via GPS or the woman catfished by a corpse's pics. They're dialed up to haunt you. Lock your screen, dim the lights, and let's plunge in. First up is Lucy's story.